y'all, welcome to another video. We are getting closer to Christmas. I cannot believe Christmas is literally next week. Like next Wednesday, I think. Is it next Wednesday or next Tuesday? Let me see. What's today? Today is the 16th, right? Christmas is next Wednesday. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so we got a lot to get done. I mean, Christmas is in 2 weeks and stuff is kind of sort of done. Traveling out of town during Thanksgiving, which I typically don't do, and getting sick really set me back this year, but it's still getting done. So check this out. Today we got a lot to do. I need to decorate the tree because I finally got it. I need to finish my fireplace. I need to finish my hot cocoa bar, or start and finish the hot cocoa bar. It's not really a lot. It seemed like a lot in my head, but that's all I gotta do. So this video, if I got the same clothes on in 3 different videos, it's because I recorded 3 different videos in one day. So right now we getting ready to get this hot cocoa bar done, and the videos are not gonna be long because ooh girl, I'm about to fall, because they just not. And I got a video that I need to edit and upload. I do have a lot because those videos, plus I got to do the wine advent for the day. I got a video that I'm behind for uploading that. Child, I got a lot going on. Plus I'm still working because I don't actually get off technically for the holiday until Christmas Eve. I know. I'll be off half day Christmas Eve, and then I'll go back to work. I think I go back on the when do I go back to work? Girl, I just go back. Just thank you, Lord, that I can go back. But I didn't take a lot of time off at the end of the year this year because I'm trying to roll over some time because I have a couple of trips that's coming up next year that I need to have my time built up. So anyway, let's get into making this setting this hot cocoa bar up, and then we might make us a little drinky drink. So let me show you what's on the hot cocoa bar first, and then I'm just gonna show myself setting it up. And I wanted to decorate some of my items. Let me show you the items. All right, so I had a few years ago, I had these on the hot cocoa bar, and they were nice and painted. I had decorated the tops with like ribbon and flowers, but you know how they fall off over time. And I debated doing it again, but in the sake of time, I don't have it. So they're just gonna go on the bar as always, as they are. So in here, I'm probably gonna put like Hershey Kisses, marshmallows. Marshmallows are probably going this one because I have 2 different types of marshmallows. I have Peeps and I have regular marshmallows. Then we have these 2, and all these jars came from Dollar Tree. I have these 2, and you can see like where the paint ran, but it's all right. We're gonna put like little treats in them, like snack cakes and cookies, because you know you might get you a little hot cocoa and you want a little treat to go with it. Oh, and we're gonna make some hot cocoa swirls. It's really cool with whipped cream, and you swirl it, and then you drop sprinkles on it, and then you put it in the freezer, and then when you make your hot cocoa, you can drop it on top of your hot cocoa. So we're gonna make that as part of today's video too. I'm gonna show you how I do those. I found those on either Pinterest or somewhere. I saw a little video of a lady doing them. I was like, oh my god, such a great idea, because you know a lot of people like to put Lord, girl, what? A lot of people like to put whipped cream on their hot cocoa. Dang, I got it right. And if it's like frozen and then you just drop it on. I was gonna make hot cocoa balls this year, but we're gonna say that I might actually be able to do that as an Easter project too. Cause yeah, I could put like little bunny, girl, focus. This is Christmas. Get back to this. All right, so those are like the little containers, and then I have all of my Christmas mugs, which are over on the counter, but I like to sit this over on the hot cocoa bar. We gonna focus. Okay, so that's the mugs, that's the containers, and then the food items. I showed y'all in the Target haul what the hot cocoa bar things were, and we're gonna make this one a boozy hot cocoa bar. And the reason I say it's boozy because we're gonna add some rum chata, some peppermint vodka. This is one of my favorite drinks of every Christmas season. And there's this cocktail called a Coco Chanel. It's really, I think it's gin and elderflower. I think that's the last time I made it. It was gin and elderflower. I'm going to try to do a take on it and do minty Coco Chanel, I think. Don't hold me to it. In my mind, I'm whisking it up in my mind, and I think it's going to work. I'm going to try it first. No, I might just do it. I might go live and do it. Don't threaten me with a good time. All right, and then I'm gonna put the Baileys out. So let's get to making this hot cocoa bar. All right, so I already have a kettle over here, but for the most part, we use like milk when we make our hot cocoa. So you know, it's over here though for somebody who may want water. But let's get started. And I'm gonna probably focus in on the counter. I don't even know. Y'all probably do not care about all them instructions. You just want me to get it done. Get it done, girl. Get it done. Bye.